Okay, we got it all flushed through. This is going to be part 2, of course. Making some coffee here. I don't know if you've ever seen these before, but you can actually make your own coffee. Yeah. Put the lid on. Put it in here. And let's see if we got you in shot. Yep. Here we go. We just ran a full container of fresh water through the reservoir here, and now I'm actually going to change the cup because that cup here may have residue of vinegar in it, and I'll give this a go while I'm waiting for the coffee to go into the cup. It seems to be running pretty good. If you can see that, I'll turn it this way a bit, maybe. Let me see. Yeah, I put some honey in my coffee. I don't use sugar anymore in my coffee anyway. Actually, I don't use sugar at all. Sugar lasts us forever here now. So I just put a half a teaspoon of honey and a little drop of carnation milk. It seems to be running pretty good. Now it should be better than what it is, of course, you know, so let's not be too hypercritical, but it's obviously not like it's working brand new. So this is the part 2, and yeah, not so bad so far, but it is slowing to a trickle, so it's obviously not the greatest, as you can see. That's not perfect performance. I would say it's probably working at about 60, maybe 70% of normal, and it is done. So a little taste test. It's flushed through. Thanks for watching, everyone. This could be a part 3 coming up. If this, obviously it's not working the best, so there'll be a part 3 coming up when I get a chance to dismantle this unit, I would think, and see what's causing it to slow down. I don't think it's the pump that pumps it into the cup. I think it may be some sort of descaling, but I don't know exactly how the system works inside, so we'll have to find out in video number 3, and that'll be upcoming. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to enjoy a cup of coffee.